Hello, friends. Welcome back to Brilliant Wisdom Words. Today, I'll share the story of a man named Alex and how negative self-talk nearly destroyed his confidence, and how he overcame it to rebuild his life. Alex was a talented graphic designer with big dreams. He'd always wanted to start his own design agency, but every time he thought about taking the leap, a voice inside his head whispered, "You are not good enough." That voice became louder every day. What if you fail? You don't have the skills. No one will trust you. Slowly, Alex started to believe it. He turned down exciting opportunities and stayed in his comfort zone, feeling stuck and frustrated. One evening, after a particularly rough day, Alex came across a motivational podcast. The speaker said something that caught his attention. You are not your thoughts. That critical voice in your head isn't your truth. It's just fear talking. This idea stayed with Alex. The next morning, he decided to try something new. He started writing down every negative thought that popped into his head and then challenged it. For example, when his mind said, "You are not skilled enough," he wrote, "I've been designing for 5 years and have received great feedback. I am skilled." It wasn't easy, and the negative self-talk didn't disappear overnight, but Alex kept at it. He also started surrounding himself with people who believed in him and sought feedback from mentors who encouraged his growth. One day, a friend asked Alex to design a logo for her new business. Despite his lingering doubts, he accepted the challenge. The logo turned out amazing, and his friend recommended him to others. Gradually, Alex built a portfolio and, eventually, his own design agency. Looking back, Alex realized that his confidence wasn't destroyed by his abilities or lack thereof. It was the constant negative self-talk that held him back. Friends, negative self-talk is like a bully that lives in your head, feeding on your doubts. But remember, challenge those thoughts. Write them down and prove them wrong. Surround yourself with positivity. Seek people and resources that uplift you. Take small steps. Even tiny successes can silence that inner critic. You are capable of far more than you think. Don't let a voice in your head stop you from becoming the best version of yourself. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Brilliant Wisdom Words for more inspiring stories and life lessons.